In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music on Planoly. Planoly is a fantastic tool for social media planning and management, serving as a great aid for those looking to streamline their social media content, particularly when it comes to incorporating music. Whether you're looking to jazz up your posts on TikTok or any other platform supported by Planoly, this tutorial is going to be your step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Planoly's homepage. Accessing this tool is as simple as typing Social Media Planner and Management Tool vertical bar Planoly into your browser and hitting enter. Once you're on the page, hover over the Login button to proceed. Next, you'll click on the Social Planner option. This is where you'll be diving into the actual planning and management of your social media content. The login page is where you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure to fill up the required information accurately before clicking the login button. In case you're new to Planoly, you'll need to sign up and create an account before proceeding. Upon logging in, head over to the Planoly Social Content Planner. This dashboard is where the magic happens, allowing you to strategize, plan, and analyze your social media content effectively. Now it's time to create your post by clicking on New Post. This option is tailor-made for adding fresh content from images to videos, making it a key step in posting. The Select Channels option is your next destination. Here, you can decide where you want your content to go live. For our purposes, let's say you're focusing on TikTok. Click on the TikTok icon to ensure your music-laden post will make it to the right venue. Considering customization options for your post, click on More Options. This is where Planoly allows you to tweak your content further, ensuring that every aspect of your post is aligned with your vision. Music plays a crucial role in making your content stand out, especially on platforms like TikTok. By clicking on You can add the sound URL, you're prompted to insert the link to your selected tune. Ensure you've chosen a track that complements your visual content and adheres to copyright laws. Scheduling is a significant feature of Planoly, offering the organization and timeliness of posts. Select a date and a time for your post to go live. Well-timed posts can significantly increase engagement, making this step particularly important. Planoly provides reminder options to ensure you never miss a beat. Click on Reminder to choose between an auto reminder or a manual one. This feature ensures you're atop your posting schedule without having to keep everything in mind. The final step in the process is clicking on Schedule. This action sets everything into motion, submitting your post for the scheduled time and date. It's a satisfying conclusion to the planning process, leaving you to anticipate the engagement from your well-crafted post. Remember, successful social media management hinges on consistency, creativity, and adjusting to your audience's preferences. Incorporating music into your posts can elevate them, making them more engaging and enjoyable for your followers. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add music to your posts on Planoly. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating more compelling and engaging content for your social media platforms. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or a content creator looking to spice up your posts, Planoly's music feature is a tool that can significantly enhance your social media presence. Stay creative and happy posting.